Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to use index match function to find corresponding values for a given value. So here we are having a column called order ID for which we want to find values of ship date, customer ID and product ID from the master dataset, which is this dataset. So we have the values. We already have those randomized because in any real world dataset you will have those unique values. So one of the things which is important is to have unique values, and once you have that in place, all you have to do is just start using index match function. So here it comes. So equals to, then type index, and then bracket starts, and then from where the value needs to be pulled in. So the values are over here. So we just have to select the entire place or entire array. From that, the index match function will be pulling the values, and then comma, then match, then bracket starts. What is it? What is the value that you're looking for? So here we are looking for order ID, which is over here. Where do you want to compare it with? So we want to compare it with over here, because here we have all the order IDs, and this index match function will take this value and compare it with each of them and find the location where it is located. And then should it be exact match or somewhat match or what? So just type 0, because most of the times you are looking for exact match, and then 2 times you have to close the bracket, one for this one and one for the index function, and you press enter. And 41408 we get 180122, which is correct. One thing that you have to keep in mind is whenever you are pulling it down, you will see that the range of the array has changed as well, because it has shifted one place down. So what you need to do is you need to fix the locations. So by adding dollar symbol ahead of the alphabet and number, you will be fixing that. We don't want to fix this value because we want to keep on looking for the new values. So we don't want to fix that, and we have now fixed location of both arrays. Now just pull it down and you will find the exact data for each of them. So for example, 37705 is over here, and we are getting 11/05/2023. So this is correct. Now you will find these to be in number most of the time. So all you have to do is just go to format cells, and there you select date, so that the number appears in date format. At times it can be very confusing because why it is showing up in numbers, but because by default number is the data type, so you just need to format that data set accordingly. Now customer ID, no dates here, so this will be easy to do. So just again equals to index where the data set is over here, from where we have to pull the values, and then you have to fix those locations as well. So that is one of the things that you have to keep in mind. We have done that. Now index match function. So match function, so bracket starts. What is the value that you want to compare? Where is the data set from where you want to compare those values? Over here. And then fix the values, and then exact match by 0, and then 2 times bracket closes, and then you just pull it down. So just double checking, 37705 11/005. So this is correct. Now product ID equals to index bracket closes. Where is the data set? Select the entire array, fix the values by adding dollar symbol, and then comma, match function, Where is the value that you want to compare? Where is the entire array which you want to compare with? Fix the values. Zero for the exact match, and then 2 times bracket closes, and press enter. Pull this thing down. Now we can see that for 37705 we are having 4161 over here, so this means the entire data is correct. So in short span of time we have managed to get all the values for a given value, and that's the beauty of index match function. Data can be randomized and can be spread across a huge data set, spread across huge number of columns, yet index match function will be able to reliably pull the data even when the data has some special characters. So that's the beauty of your index match function, and this will save you a lot of time if the data set is huge or data is extremely randomized. This would be your lifesaver. So hopefully this tutorial will help you.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.